Hello, good day. I'm here to demonstrate the features of our application named Portament, a periodic table application that displays all of the chemical elements in a table as well as the various information about each one. When you click the logo, you are taken to our application's welcome page. Then you can see the various categories such as the periodic table of elements, solubility table, quiz, and about. And let us now look at the periodic table of elements. This table contains all of the elements and its groups or other properties such as nonmetal, noble gas, alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, metalloids, halogen metal, transition metal, lanthanide, actinide, and actinide. In every element, it includes the atomic number which defines each element's identity as well as the element's symbol and atomic weight. You can also modify the numbers displayed at the bottom of the element symbols such as density, atomic weight, density, melting point, boiling point, specific heat, electronegativity, and abundance. So let's try with the density with the atomic weight. And you can see it changed the numbers of atomic weight at the bottom of the element symbol. And let's try with density. You can also see the numbers, and then let's try again with the melting point. Okay, the boiling point, we change the number again with a boiling point. Then the specific heat, electronegativity, and abundance. You can also change the table color to black in this category. We're here in the category, and you can change it with a black, which is a collection of adjacent groupings. Each element in the block's highest energy electrons corresponds to the same atomic orbital type. The names of the blocks is S, P, D, and F are taken from the character of the corresponding atomic orbitals spectroscopic lines. The sharp S is sharp is principal, D is disuse, and F is fundamentals. Blocks is blocks are frequently referred to as families. Now and now let's proceed to each elements and its information. The number 1, let's go back to category 1. H is the hydrogen and its K information. In this you can see all the information of every element. It's the name which is H is for hydrogen, and its K in hydrogen, the name, the atomic number is 1, the symbol H, the atomic weight which is 1.7 something, category is non-metal. The group period and block is 1, 1, and S. Electron configuration 1s1. Electrons per shell is 1. Density, melting point, boiling point, specific heat, electronegativity, abundance. It also um, it also includes the common isotopes of every element. You can see the elements. Next is the number 2 is the He, helium. Same with the hydrogen. You can see all the information of the elements, specific elements. Next is the lithium, the beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, scandium. You can also see the different difference information, atomic number, atomic boiling melting point on every element. And ischum, strontium. You can also zoom it, zoom in and zoom out. See the formation clear. Lanthanum, metal, unknown, it's unknown, density, unknown. Yan, stanium, wolfram, uranium, tungsten. And then next one is, let's go to the search bar or the list of elements is at the top of, can swipe down and it's pop up. Just click the elements. In this you can search the elements and filter it by name or symbols and sort by atomic number 1 to 118 or atomic number or name, element name, alphabetical arrange or number 1 to 8, 1 to 118. Okay. Then you can search it like boron, carbon, strontium, ruthenium, and dubium. And you can see the information of your searching. Silver. Okay, that's the information of the search you search. And then you can go back to the table by clicking the table at the top and it direct you to the table, can direct you to the table period. And then let's see the settings. The top of you can change the theme and the temperature units by Kelvin, Celsius, Fahrenheit. You can change the temperature in the element table elements. Then you can also change the block here and block value. Same with the controls. You can click and you can remove the predictive. In this you can uncheck it and it enabled to see the control at the table view. Let's try it. Okay, uncheck, go back, it remove the control at the bottom and go back. Let's go back, check it. You can see going back. Then let's go to the about. In this about, you can see the sources of the application. And then now let's go to the solubility table. The combination of cations, anions, cations, and cation results in either no precipitate. The ions do not combine in solution. You can see if it is soluble, few soluble, insoluble, decomposed in water. No data on the solubility of the substance and no information about the existence of substance. Now you can see these anions, cations, and the combination. Its combination. Okay. Hydroxide, fluoride, chloride, bromine, iodine, sulfide, etc. Then let's go to this to quiz. Next is the quiz. You can start and play. play it and answer the question needed. For example, SI is simple. It have it have a 10 seconds timer if you are it have a 10-second timer, and if you done answering it, it will appear that if your answer were correct or wrong. Then click next. Example, it's wrong. It's no. Oh yeah, it appear wrong. Next is, and then magnesium. You can see the scores, your scores every questions. If your answer is correct, you can see it appear it this. You can try boron. You can see it changed the number. Next is see next, what is the chemical element for symbol SM? Samarium. Next is NP is neptarium. The symbol EC stands for what element? Actinium. The symbols HS stands for what element? Haitium. What is the chemical element for symbol K? K is potassium. What is the chemical element for symbol O? Oxygen. The symbol LR stands for the element lawrencium. Next, what is chemical element for this G? Germanium. What is the chemical element for the HI? Hydrogen. AU is, what is AU? Gold. Then yeah, if the quiz are done, you can see your points and your personal best score. You can also play it again by clicking the arrow down and play it, and if not, you can just click the X button to go to home. And last is the about. It includes the application name, logo, and description of the application. It includes the name, and it includes the names of developers like developer Jean Elico, Emelita Altes, John Christian Uribus, Coy Navarro, and Alex Pintillo. And that's all of our application. Thank you for listening.